So here we have 7 puppies from Max and Chickalata, 4 days old. And what you guys can see probably first of all is this awesome sable color. And you might also be able to see the complete uniformity in the size. So we have 1 male and 1 female, and you can't actually tell them apart. So usually you would think that a female would be smaller than a male, but from this kind of bloodline, your females are strong. They're strong boned, big head. So these 1 male, 1 female sable. And here, look at this solid jet black male. Look at that. Look at the uniformity here. So when you have black puppies and neither one, like what I mean by that is you can get black when both parents are black. But when one parent is not black, you get the body structure. What you're looking for is big, strong bone, broad heads. So these ones, we have a male and another male. Look at that. And another male, female, and male. So we have 4 black males, 1 black female, and 1 sable female, and 1 sable male. So these 4 black males, 1 sable male, sable female, solid black female.
You should pick them up and hold them.